So far, we have seen that the modular architecture allows for faster training and better performance in the training task. We also want to know how it performs in novel scenarios. So one thing we can do is to change the task parameter to a novel range. For example, joystick gain, which linear maps motor actions to corresponding velocities in the environment, can be increased. During training, the gain remains fixed at 200 centimeters per second for the linear velocity and 90 degrees per second for angular velocity. And to test agent standardization abilities, here we can increase the gain to twice larger than in training. This means the maximum linear and angular velocities in the environment are doubled to 400 centimeters per second and 180 degrees per second. Now let us evaluate the modular and holistic agents again, but now with a higher joystick gain.